Hello, my name is Yahaira Trillos. English 2, Tax 2. Step 3. Sentence related to free time and physical activities. I like to be cooking. I am good at playing. I am into drawing. I am interested in exercising. I am keen on traveling the world. I am crazy about working. He is a teacher. I don't like to be watching. I am not good at reading a book. I am not much into reading. I hate watching TV. I cannot stand be sleeping whole day. I don't really care for reading books. Step 5. Workout routines and free time routines of my best friends and mine. My routine. In my free time, I like to do many activities. First of all, I like to play soccer and go for a walk in the countryside, but I don't like to read books. To relax, I listen to music and the weekends. I like to go out dancing at nightclub with my friends. It's something I really enjoy. Finally, I talk to my mom about things in my life. My best friend's routine. My best friend in her spare time rides and bike and walks long distance to improve her fitness. She also likes to watch horror movies. She does not like listening to music or spending time with her family, but she loves going to parties. On the other hand, he enjoys walking to cold places and observing the landscapes of nature. Exit egg. Sentence describing the image. The family is walking on the rice. The author here is applying something lotion. The boy is jumping in the water. The mother is teaching her daughter to swim. The father is drinking beer. The father is relaxing in the floor. Thank you.